Hey guys, good morning. It is kind of early on in the week, but I am going to be transferring out another or withdrawing another $1,000. This is from just that those the big we there was a lot of high premium on Big C, so I decided to kind of go for the selling calls on the higher premium side and actually made $1,000. Today is Tuesday, so I'm probably gonna end up buying back my RKT and PLTR calls. I'm probably gonna end up buying those back on Friday, hopefully at like a 90% discount, and then probably selling them all over again and maybe withdrawing another $1,000 on Friday. So, like I always told you guys, pay yourself first. It keeps you guys from being greedy. And obviously, yeah, having more money in your account is perfectly great and investing and stuff, but it also pays to kind of pay yourself, right? I try to, right now, at least selling calls, I try to withdraw at least $1,000 a week and kind of go from there. I'm trying to actually hold cash right now to see if there is another drop this coming year. And just in case there is, I basically have cash on the sideline to kind of come in a little bit later on and uh, and put that money to good use on any stocks that have dropped significantly if there is like another drop like we did in March. But yeah,